the Indian Big Mac any different from the American Big Mac?
It's the same Big Mac with double patty that you all love, except it has chicken and all the freshness and deliciousness of the veggies. So that's why it's called the Mac Maharaja.
Ooh, I love the name. Why is it called Mac Maharaja?
It's called Mac Maharaja because Maharaja is a Sanskrit word and it translates into the great king. So you have Rajas that are the kings, and then you have Maharajas that are great kings. So this burger is going to be the kings of all burger. That's why it's called Mac Maharaja.
Ooh, well, this sounds delicious. I can't wait to make it. It's going to be so, so good. So, let's do it. All right, so we're going to get started making this super juicy, delicious Maharaja burger. Did I say it right?
Yes, you did.
All right. So what do we do first to get started?
All right. First, we're going to take our finely chopped chicken.
Look at that.
Half teaspoon of turmeric.
Gotta have that for the colorfulness and spice.
1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Yum, that's gonna pack a punch.
Half a teaspoon of oregano.
Nice.
Some black pepper. Again, half a teaspoon is enough. Then the last thing we got is the specialty. It's the Indian garam masala.
Ooh.
And we got 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala.
Can I start mixing this?
Yes, let's do it.
All right, so what is in garam masala?
So garam masala is a mix of other Indian spices. Could have mustard seeds, cardamom, coriander, cinnamon. So yeah, it has the goodness of all the different spices packed in one mix.
Wow, and this is what you always call flavorful. So when I'm smelling all these spices, you're like,
It's all the flavor.
it's all the flavor, babe.
I can smell it. Yeah.
So why do you think McDonald's changes their recipe for India?
There are 2 things. First, because of the Indian culture. Indian culture involves a lot of flavorful spices and different foods, street foods. So burger came to India in 40s, but then it was still not really popular among the middle class. So this was McDonald's take to make burger really popular among middle class, and middle class was used to the street food. Middle class is used to the flavors, the spices that they find on the street food. So they took the burger and added a lot more spices so that it serves the taste, what do you call it?
Of the culture.
Yeah, taste of the culture. All right, everybody, we got our chicken mix ready now with all the flavors, all the spices. I can really smell all the goodness.
I can smell it too.
You're gonna make the patties out of this, use the egg wash, and then use panko breadcrumbs as a coating. And then you're gonna deep fry it.
They're gonna look so golden and
Yeah.
juicy.
Let's do it.
Do you want me to go ahead and crack these eggs
Yes.
into here? Okay, I can make that happen. So do you
We're gonna
feel
use our hands to like kind of
mash it up?
Yeah. When you're making these patties, just make sure you have some oil in your hand so that as you're making little patties of this chicken, it doesn't stick. So it's just a better thing to do.
So do you feel like the branding behind the Maharaja burger and it being a king burger is deeply rooted into India's rich culture of royalty? Do you think that has anything to do with it?
It absolutely has. McDonald's is really known for their internationalization strategy. So whatever they do and introduce these different menus options across the globe has to do with the local culture. So in India, before we got colonized, it was ruled by these kings and royal families that were running the country. It's not just one, but there were so many for different parts, and collectively our country was called India. Above all the kings, they had Maharajas, which are the great kings, kings of the kings. And yes, that's the reason we have these palaces, these forts that are still popular, like Old Fort, Red Fort. One of the kings also built this monument called Taj Mahal that you all know. Right?
Yes, a place I've always wanted to go see.
So the ones that were at the state level were called Rajas, so those are the kings. And the Maharajas are managing all these other kings that are above the kings. So King of the Kings called Maharaja. So that has the branding, the name definitely has to do with the rich royalty culture that India had before it was colonized. All right, everybody, our chicken patties are ready to be fried.
They look delicious, baby.
Yeah.
All right, so does this mean we get to move over to the stove?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, we just got back from the stove where Shantanu just deep fried shallow fried these amazing patties.
I did. It's
So-
all ready now, and we're gonna assemble our Mac Maharaja burger.
It's gonna be so good.
Then we can give it a taste test.
I'm kind of nervous because this is very spicy, but we're gonna have to make some sauce too. So what else?
Alrighty.
What does this look like?
We're gonna take our hot sauce. You can take any brand, and then we're gonna mix it with the mayonnaise.
Mix it with some mayonnaise. Now you're talking my language because mayonnaise is a key ingredient to lots of southern dishes.
All right, everybody, we are ready for the
Taste test! I can't get over how tall this burger is. It is a big mamma jamma.
I know, right? Hey, this is a real Mac Maharaja, the king of all the burgers. So
Throw the branding in there.
has to look like that.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try it. How do I even start? Do I just grab it?
Hey, you figured that out. I made the burger. Now it's up to you.
I know, babe. You did such a good job making this. I can just already see that it is oozing with all the juices, all of the goodness. Man, guys,
Look
this
at that.
is...
Ooh.
Guys, it is just like oozing with so many different flavors. All right, here we go.
Ready? Wow.
Oh my
That
God.
was a big bite.
This is so good, baby. So many flavors.
All right, let me get you a napkin.
Need it for my hands.
Okay.
Guys, this is a juicy burger. You see my hand here? Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. You're so sweet. Babe, this is so good. When I bit into it, my mouth exploded with flavors. Spiciness, definitely hot. It is hot, guys, but flavorful. That's what we call it. That's what I call it now, is flavorful.
Hey, now you're getting all the flavors. You don't even have to go to India because you got this boyfriend.
To make all the Indian dishes for me. I love it. My palate has been expanded so much since I've been dating him, and now I'm excited to try the next Indian dish that you're going to prepare because this is fantastic. I'm sorry, I'm not going to share it with you because it's just too good.
You think you can finish that?
Here, take a bite. You got to try your hard work.
Alrighty.
Oh my.
Wow.
Right?
This is a winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Ayy, because it's a chicken patty. Do you see this oozing down my arm as we're eating it? That's how much flavor and juice. All right.
I think it's a wrap.
I'm a happy camper right now. And I cannot wait to try another one of your Indian dishes.
Well, I'm really happy that you liked it. And I cannot wait to try your southern dishes. So, please like and subscribe, hit the bell button and get notifications when you see more videos coming out from us about fast food, from Indian restaurants, and some southern restaurants as well.
All the tasty recipes. So, we will see you guys next week. Bye!